How to apply for Louis Vuitton affiliate program. So Louis Vuitton doesn't have an affiliate program, but what you can do, you can simply go to any website that sells Louis Vuitton, and basically what you're gonna have to do is simply apply. So as you can see, I found this website which is called luxcollectivefashion.com, and basically I can basically apply for an affiliate. As you can see, become an affiliate, and basically here, as you can see, they're selling Louis Vuitton products, and I can simply click on apply now. Then I'm gonna get redirected here, and as you can see, I'm gonna earn 4% for any sales. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on that button to apply, and then simply enter your information. And then here where it says company information, you can add your social media account, and then simply click on sign up, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.